let's go to our braces consultation. We're possibly going to get braces today. Super excited, ready to get my straight teeth going, and let's see.
I know you're gonna like it. I know you're gonna like it.
Just finished my cleaning. My teeth feel so clean. I'm so happy. So happy. Anyways, I haven't gotten the braces consultants yet. Alright, so I know you guys probably can't see me because in here is very dark, but I just did my cleaning and all of that. I'm just sitting in the car waiting because this place that I'm at, the dental office that I chose to do this procedure, is actually a colleague of mine from high school, so I decided why not you know, support people that you know or you're aware of or you were around at some point in time. But the office is really small, so, and there are people upstairs, so I was just like, let me just come back in my car and sit and wait for them to call me for my consult. So like I said earlier, it's a high possibility I might get my braces today, but their process is a little bit different. I'm gonna get the braces, and then after I'm gonna get the what's it called, parametric view, or the x-ray or whatever they call it, whatever. So I get, when I speak to the dentist, then I'll get further information, and then after that I'll decide if I'm gonna go forward with it here or try another place. But the reason why I wanted to I wanted to do it here, because the pay, you know, when you're doing braces, you have to like put down certain amounts of deposit, and this deposit was like quite reasonable. So that's like one of the instances that I'm here. Anyways, I'm just gonna sit and wait until whatever. Keep you updated on what's happening. They are ready for me, so let's go upstairs. Let's get this braces thing over with, y'all. I'm ready, I'm tired, and everything. Guys, it is 2:41 and I've been here at the dentist since about 11:15. Got the cleaning, did my braces consultation. I'm gonna go through with it. Also got a discount because it's a high school colleague, so shout out to her. But yeah, it's the 3, so I've been here how many hours and I haven't eaten from morning, so I told him, hey, I need to eat before this braces go on. Hear my belly making noise, so I just ordered some stew pork from the same plaza, and I'm gonna eat that. Then I'm gonna go upstairs and then do my procedure. But I had to eat something, and you know, and once you get your braces on, it's gonna be a lot of soft foods and etc. for a while, so I'm gonna divulge in this last food that I'm eating currently. This is the food: stew pork, rice and peas, looking yummy. Guys, I really need to get a tripod. I'm in the plaza. This is a plaza in Half a Tree, pristine. Yep. If you guys have any questions about the dental process, braces process, just let me know. So back in the elevator, they just called me to say they're ready for me, so.
Show me the car when you turn me on, when you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall.
Hey guys, let's get into it. The braces is on, as you can see. I was on the color black. It feels so weird. It's definitely gonna get it's gonna take me some time to get used to it. Not feeling any pain right now, of course, but you know, they did say there's going to be tensions and all of that jazz. But this thing took literally almost all day. It's 4:30 right now, so I left like 10 minutes to go. It took the whole day, I'm not gonna lie, but I think I got a great deal. Like, I got like a huge discount because, like I said, I went to school with the orthodontist. Like, shout out to you, girl. Yeah, but if you guys have any questions down below, just hit me up. they did give me some fluoride or something like that for 30 minutes. So anything before 30 minutes, I can't eat, I can't drink, I can't whatever. But I think 30 minutes has not passed yet, really. So I'm just gonna wait on that. But I'm so excited about this journey. Just let me know if you guys have any questions. As it relates to payments and stuff, and let me know. But please remember, I had like a huge discount. So my price ain't gonna be your price. Just know that braces starts from what 3,000 all the way up to 6,000 odd USD. I'm super happy that I went to this location and went to support a colleague, because I know if I had went anywhere else, the price would have been massive. My payback would have been crazy too. And I was looking for the cheapest payback ever, the lowest payback per month, I should say. So it's very doable. But I'm super excited for this journey. Guys, let's see what happens. Oh, I did put on black. Elastis is black. I didn't want any color there. I just want to be a little bit, I want to be like neutral for now until I get used to it, and then maybe I can try color. But so excited, y'all. Just drop any questions on below. I know this was a short vlog. Oh, you know what, I may not end the vlog tonight because we're going out. I was told, we're gonna be outside tonight. I was outside last night, but I showed y'all. Friday I'm gonna be outside again. But anyways, I'm gonna head home shortly. I'm gonna stop by my mom, show her the new brace face, and that's it. So I'll see you guys later when I am heading out on the road, period. So guys, wrapping up. I don't even know if you guys can see me. I'm not even using the tripod. But wrapping up my first day with this metal thing in my mouth. It feels so weird, but of course I'm gonna get used to it. What I had today, I just had some soup for dinner tonight. I only had like just half a soup. I'm not really hungry, but I definitely really need to plan out my week of what I'm gonna eat for the rest of the week. I know it has to be soft foods and all of that. I know I can eat rice, but I don't want to eat a lot of rice. You guys know, I'm trying to cool off the rice for a bit. So yeah, I really need to figure out my meal plan for this entire week. Tomorrow is Sunday, so probably gonna more than likely get to go to the supermarket. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for tonight. Figure out what I'm gonna eat for the rest of the day. But it's a Saturday night. I decided to stay in. I'm not gonna go out. I'm like really tired. Went out last night. There's no need to go tonight. I just wanna relax. I'm watching some YouTube, and that is the vibe for the rest of the night. So yeah guys, yeah.